Hey everyone and welcome to RoboCAD. In this tutorial I will show you how to get started with C# programming using Visual Studio. So let's begin. So this is Visual Studio 2022 and now let's create a new project. So I will click here, create a new project, and a new window will get appear. So here you need to search console. So I'm writing console, Console, and here make sure that you are selecting console app with .NET framework, and then click on next button. And here I'm going to write the project name. So this is my first program, and then I will hit create. So a pop-up will appear which will show creating project. And when you create a new console app project, this is what you see by default. Some code is already written for you. And from here you can adjust the zoom settings. So I like working in 150%. So you do not need to worry about this code for this tutorial, right? It starts from using system. So we will write our program in this block, static void main. Main is basically the entry point of the program, right? So I will click here in front of this curly bracket and hit enter button, and then I will write Console.WriteLine. In order to print anything, we used to write Console.WriteLine and two small brackets, and after that a semicolon at the end of the line, right? And in between these two brackets we will type two inverted commas and something that we want to show on our screen. So I am typing here hello world because I want to see hello world on my screen when I will run my program. And in order to see that screen, I am writing here Console.ReadLine. Console.ReadLine is only for to show that screen. Okay. So I will hit the start button from here, and after some time you will see this screen which is called as console window, and this is the hello world which I really wanted to print on my screen. So this is the hello world, as you can see it from here as well. And writing the semicolon at the end of the line is necessary, and if you don't write the semicolon at the end of the line, it will show an error, as you can see it from here, the red colored error. So I'm typing the semicolon back, and this is the one line of code. And what if you want to print more lines here? So for example, I'm copying and pasting the same line here, and I'm writing here I am learning coding. So this is my first line of program, and on my second line I will type something like this is fun, and on my third line I am writing I love C#. So this is the order: I am learning coding, this is fun, and I love C#. And the same order will get printed here, as you can see it from here. So we are done with our first C# program, and if it is your first C# program, then I will advise you to write this code 2-3 times in order to get familiar with the syntax. And see you in the next tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching.